My name is Jana and today I will show you how to study in Germany for free. First of all, we go to DAAD website. Obviously, if you don't speak German, you need to switch to English. That's pretty simple. And then I recommend you start with one point called requirements and enrollment. Important thing is not every single student can study in Germany. You need to make sure that you check the database of the minimum requirements. So requirements and enrollment. Okay, database on admission requirements. Why is that so? Because, for example, some students can and are allowed to study in the bachelor degree or master degree, and some are not. So here we will check where we come from. So let's say you're from Mexico. You can search for your country here. You're from Mexico. What kind of degree do you have? You choose the one you have. Important is that there's local degrees like Mexican degree, Russian degree, Indian degree, but there's also international degrees like American diploma, IB diploma, A-levels, and others. So for example, you have an IB diploma. So it's going to ask you, did you get a certificate or did you get a diploma? Diploma it is. What was your admission to the IB program? I finished it before 2023 or I did it in between 19 and 24. Let's do that. Here are the minimum requirements. It asks you for the 6 subjects or 4 subjects, different criteria, depending where you want to go to. Let's say you say, yeah, I have that. Then it tells you, oh, yeah, you can go direct general admission for academic studies. It means that if you fulfill the criteria, you can study in Germany bachelor degree directly. Let's say you do not have that, so you put no. Then it will take you to another place. It will ask you if you studied 1 year at the university of your country or you didn't. Let's say you didn't. Then it will tell you, you can only do foundation. You can only study Studienkolleg in German or foundation. There's only one university in Germany offering foundation in English. And only after completing that year at the university in Germany, you can then pass the exam and enter the public education for free. Okay, there's public, there's private universities, and then you can find them here. Universities and programs, the right degree program, right university, shalalala. So let's see the right university. Okay, focus on science, focus on practice. I'd recommend, instead of reading all that, because it's really overwhelming, literally write in Google DAAD uni database. That's the easiest way to find it, and it will take you for a page that lists literally every single program available in Germany, paid or free, in English or German or both languages. Let's say we want to do a bachelor degree.